Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to bring your fields from other sources, like government websites or other farm management systems, into YaraPlus. If you haven't added any fields to your account yet, you'll automatically be prompted to add them manually or import them on the interactive map. You can also use the import feature in the farm menu in the header. Note that you can also import fields from the Old at Farm or from John Deere Operations Center. Check out our other videos to learn how. Now, let's get started with importing fields from other external sources. Here, you can review the instructions on how to prepare your files for import. Make sure your field data is in a compatible format and that the file size doesn't exceed 5 megabytes. To continue, click the Upload button and choose the file that contains your fields. Give the system a moment to upload and process your data. Once the upload is complete, you'll see all your fields listed. When you're ready, click Finish. Please note that crops aren't transferred with the import. That's why you'll be asked to add crops to your fields to benefit from YaraPlus agronomic features. Click on Add Crops. In this view, you can assign crops in bulk. Select the fields you want to update, then choose the correct crop type from the drop-down menu. Set the production goal and add the seeding date. Repeat this process for all remaining crops and grasslands. Once all crops are added, click Done. Your fields are now added to your account under a single farm with a placeholder name, but you can always rename it in the farm details. Thank you for using YaraPlus.